Hi guys, you're probably wondering why I'm walking in here wearing a motorcycle helmet, but I promise you there's a really good reason for that. Today is the day that a lot of motorcyclists look forward to all year long. There's a big motorcycle show called the One Show here in Portland. Now the One Show is a show where builders from all over the world bring their craziest bikes and they display them in a coliseum here, and it's just a fantastic, huge show. But the One Show has gotten really big lately and it's kind of lost some of its homegrown flair. So Portland's Flying 15 Motorcycle Club started a show called the Number 2 Show. It's a little smaller and a little more intimate. It's still a lot of fun. Now I have my 1974 Yamaha RD350 showing in the Number 2 Show, so I figured I'd pack up my Hasselblad, take along some Acros 100 and some Vision 3 500T, and then shoot the show. So let's go check it out.